Hello guys and welcome back. Let's recap on what it means for a file to be untracked. It means the file exists locally but it is not a part of a Git repository. In other words, Git does not know whether it has to ignore the file or not. So track file is the file which is added, and these files will be show up in your Git status report if there are any difference between your local repository and your working directory. Now let's dive into territory that we aren't so familiar with, but you may have noticed it when you do Git status, and that is staging. Unstaged changes will always appear in our working directory, but Git has not recorded them into its own version history yet. An example of an unstaged change will be that index.html. We have two choices. We can stage these changes, which would essentially be the first step in our commit process and will be the part of our next commit, or we can discard these changes by executing the command git checkout. So now here also the git giving you such options in case if you wanted to do git add file name, if you wanted to update what will be committed. And the next is git restore file name if you wanted to discard changes in the working directory. I hope it is making little more sense. The main thing to take away in this video is any new local files that we are that gets created which are not already a part of a local repo will always be untracked. Whereas if we make any changes to the file that are tracked is going to be in unstaged area, and we can restage that file by just typing git add file name. Thank you guys for watching this video.